بله اولین جا ایروژم دخوازن 151 پیوان ببینن دورن ام ببینن of water of water of the he she waters of the as of the them I am watering hun of the dun you are watering hun you are many people. Okay. Bajar city bajar city bajar city شهر bajar شهر baran rain baran rain baran rain there is a song that says baran bari. It means in English it is still same raining baran bari dunya thari the rain and the word is dark. I will be putting in the description below the music. Badar Badar with tree somewhere where there are trees. Badar there is a tree in here. Badar with tree Badar with tree. Baroj in the daytime during daytime Baroj in the day Baroj or simply Roj means day. Baroj when we have when Baroj when sky have the Roj when sky have the sun Roj is also sun but Baroj is also day Roj is also day. Beshav at night Beshav at night Beshav at night. Batane alone only Bachuk small Bakari if you can Gertu Bakari or let's use the one we use always Hekatu Bakari Baba and me Qanala me. If you can subscribe to our channel. If you can verb karin to be able to karin bakari Hekatu Bakari. Okay, Hekatu Bakari is actually to Bakari is if you can Hekatu Bakari. So karin is the subjunctive form of for the verb karin. Okay. Kolan means street. Kolan digerim. I walk street by street. I look street by street. There is a song also. Kolan digerim. Chawa chawan. Chawa how. Chawan is also same when we say how are you. Chawa. Chai tea. Chai tea. Chant how many. Chant how many. Chant how many we could say like when you say chant what to say chant seven tehana generally we know that we are using how many for the countable things or how many but how much for especially we remember with the money how much money do you have when we want to ask how much money do you have chant seven tahana we say how many apple do you have and if I want to say how much money do you have chiqas parite haya chiqas we can see it is chiqas when we ask for money chiqas parite haya how much money do you have. And chant is for countable things. If you can count, that is chant. if you don't count, that is chiqas. Okay, chiqas بريتها هي. Chiqasi, for example, you wouldn't ask what? You wouldn't ask chiqas, you wouldn't ask how much, how many rain, how much rain. Anyway, it doesn't matter, but for countable things, chiqas for countable things, chand for non-countable things, chiqas. With the money also we use this, but we should give example. If in here we have some example, so it is actually payment, it pays for this. And in English also, for countable things, as we see, there are things that we can count, but for this it's not countable one, and we have to give example. For example, as I want to say how much salt I should put into food. Okay, how much? As you see, I am not saying how many salt. So in here I wouldn't say chand. Chand khwe techem nava shive. Shive. Chand khwe. This is not right. It must be chiqas. Chiqas khwe techem nava shive. How much sugar, how much salt I should put inside the food, inside the dinner or shivi's meal. How much should I put? You see, chiqas. Simply chiqas is how much, and chand is how many. That's it. Chanta is bag. Chanta. Think kif. Think it is a synonym is kif, but chanta is used a lot. You can simply use that. Ch. What? Ch. Ch. J. G. Place. J. G. This is like in here it seems like I am talking only about city, the places, but also, for example, the place you sit. J. De Rudene. Rudene. Rudene. Rudene. J. De Rudene. Rudene. The place you sit. Chma. Why? Chma. Chimen. Laun. Chimen. Laun. Juan. Young. Juan. Young. The opposite one is bir. Bir. Juan. Bir. Juan is young. Dan. Time of the day. For example, Dane. Dane. Sbe. Dane. Sbe. It means Dane Sbe means morning actually. Dane Sbe, morning time. Dane Nivro. Dane Nivro. Nivro is time of noon. Dane Asr. Dane Asr is the time before evening. Dane Evari. Dane Evari. Dane Evar. Dane Evari. Dane Evari. The time of night. Dane Chef. Dane Evari. So those are the things for the time. Okay, maybe you might think like, why do we have this? Simply like it is not so much far from the Sba alone, which is morning. It's not so much far from it. But Dani Sbe is like in the morning, like there is not specific time. It's like just like Sbe, you know. Nivro is just like around this time. Dani Evro, Dani Asr, Dani Evari. So that's it. For example, you can tell like this. Sbeda tomorrow. Sbeda. Dani Evari. Evare. Evare as a worm. As a worm. You can say that. Sbeda dane evare tomorrow at evening, time of evening, around evening, I will come. So dane evare. It means around evening I will come. Simply you could say that too. Sbeda Evari Azivaram. This is also good. Is okay also. But Dane Evari is means like this time. Dawiya Hafte weekend. Dawi Hafte week. So Dawiya Hafte is like weekend. Dawiya Hafte. Hafte means the week, and Dawiya Hafte end of the week. Okay. And Dalal, beautiful, lovely. For example, for your girlfriends, Dalalaman, okay. Dalalaman, you can say, which means like my lovely, my beautiful, my for your girlfriend, you can say that Dalalaman. And for your boyfriend, you can say Dalaleman, Dalaleman. Like you might confuse, you might think these look like more with for women, but not. This is for this is you are telling to to girl, and for this you are telling to boy, for boyfriend, for girlfriend. Dalalaman, Dalalaman, Dalalaman. There are too many songs like this. You simply search Dalalaman, you will see. It is beautiful, lovely. It means beautiful, lovely. Dalalaman. Darang, late. So late means darang. The opposite is zu. It is early. Darang. To darang mai. To darang mai. To darang mai. You are late. You are late. Also, there is very important, very nice saying in Kurdish. Generally, this saying is north. I am not sure. Maybe in the east also we have. In the east and in the south also we. In the east, west and south also we have. I am not sure of this, but the renge, shivamen, gerenge. So derenge, shivamen, gerenge. It says late. It is late, and my meal is gereng. Gereng is kind of food. I don't know its name in English, but I will be searching this surely. I want to say this, I want to search for this, which is like this, and I want to search what? I don't know if I can find, but if I don't find, oh yeah, oops, I am searching for it, and I think I will not find. Yeah, I will not find. So it is kind of food. I hope I will put this the description to below, or you could search for garang. It is food. It has it's nice food anyway. I will say that, but it is kind of food. Just know it is made of not grass, but not this specific grass. Next time I will be searching about this, and after I see this, I will definitely be sharing with you. Even maybe we can search on Google, since yeah, let's see on our. By the way, I am always using Wikiferhang. I will recommend you to use also. Gereng. So gereng. I am some ganger. So streak. So yeah, this is like streak. Streak is this thing that is sharp, but gereng. Kanger, no, Kanger, Karang. So, oh, Kalang, Kanger. Oh yeah, this is it. Kangrek. So this is Kangrek. But is it obvious? I think it is. It doesn't look very nice, but Kangal, Kangil, Kalang, Kanger. So it takes me in here always. Kanger. So that is the thing. We know like this. It is what they are also saying, Kereng, but probably like it is something like this, maybe Kereng. Okay, Kereng. Oh yeah, that's good. So you see, like it is something like this. You dig something to the earth and then you get it. So when it is bigger, it became like this. If you cut it when it is not like this, it is something like this. And simply you can do what you can eat this, and if you make a food of this which looks something like this is called karang, shiva karang. This is karang, and shiva karang is meal of karang. And it what we said, daranga shivaman karanga, daranga shivaman karanga. Okay, dari means door, dari means door, dari. Dernakeve doesn't go out, dernakeve doesn't come out, doesn't go out, dernakeve. Ev dernakeve, it says dernakeve, dernakat, derkatin, dernakatin. So, like, do you see I put na in here, the negative one? Let's search for this on here. Derkatin. Oh yeah, it's here. So do you see, like, I have mentioned this before. Sometimes you divide the word into two parts, and there kav. So this is the stem of this word for the present tense. Derkat. So derkat. So when you have the stem, and in what language we are using this? Der na kave derkaten. So this is in present tense. So and we know our der nakaten, der cat. So this is our stem for this verb, and you want to make you make a negative for in the present times. You need to put ne na in here, negative, and this one comes the personal suffix comes dernekatem. It means dernekatem. No, this will be this will be do you see, like, cat is for the past tense but kev is for the present tense. That's why I did wrong. I have to say dernakavim. This will be a. This is like ne a ne or na, depends on the way you read. For example, as dernakavim, I could say as dernakavim, as you said, as dernakavim, to dernakavi, to dernakavi, to dernakavi, dernakaven. So in all of them, na seems okay, but just know it depends on the reading, and many times it seems okay to read this. But derkaten. So it seems everyone always it is like this. Maybe I should say something specific about this. Hundernakaven. Okay, like always, na would work in this case. Na is not necessary. I mean, when you want to make them negative, you should simply put na. Okay, derve means outside, abroad. Derve, for example, as the dokhwazim bachim derve. Derve yi welat. I want to go to outside of the country. Zengin, development. The negative one is faqir. Khazan, hajar. To make you remember a word, to make you remember these, I want to say something. Bav the mre zarok hardbe. De the mre zarok hajar debe. So bav the mre zarok hardbe, it means Dımre, this is marine is die. It says Bav is dead, and it says when the father dies, children became naughty. They do not good things. They do wrong things. Like in here, I am not saying the wrong actually, but uncontrolled. You can think like this: uncontrolled one. De demre. It means like if the de it means dayık also. Maybe I should write dayık de. Dayık means mom. Also de is like that. De is mom also. Dayık demre zaruk hajar dibe. When they die, they became hajar, which means faqir. So this is faqir and hajar. It is not only used in the meaning of you not have the money. So it's also you are not naughty person. It's also in this meaning. So maybe this is a good saying. Bav demre zarok hard be, dayık demre zarok hajar be. So I wanted to just say that. I saw this in somewhere. Okay, maybe I should get this anyway. De re true x کوچک د ناوداران را چون. Okay, de re the navdaran re. So the navdaran. So this it says true. The simply it is true. You put something in here. The what should we say? What should we say? Like in this example, kuchek means dog. The you see this what the in here. Navdaran between trees. Daran rachun. Dog went between trees, so it is like dog went through trees. So you simply use like this. You put some word in here. Okay, maybe I should be fast. The bende under. The ben maseda. I don't know if it is mase. I want to see mase. If I say that simply, Kurdi. So yes, it is maseyak. Okay, maseda. The ben maseda under. Okay, under the table, under. So the bin, you write something in here, some object, and it became under it. Whatever you write in here, the bin, if you say our, under clothes. So whatever you write here, the thing will be under that, under whatever you write. Dakhwa, speak. Akhaften is like this, but dakhwa means she speaks. So for the words like this, I always recommend you to look at Wikifarang and see how the way they are separated. So in case you don't have to memorize these words, actually you shouldn't be memorizing the words anyway. You should be searching on here, and by using, you will just definitely talk the bara. It rains. So the bara, I told you, baran was rain. Baran was rain, and the bara is also it rains, like it is coming down. The che, she goes, chun, she goes. The ji, she leaves. The ji, she leaves. Dil, dalan, dil, heart, dalan, the plural of the noun dil, dalan, dil, heart. The neve, sleep, the neve, as the nevem. She sleeps, they are sleeping, the neve, out the neve. Simply think like this, out the neve, out the neve. Dresh, long, dresh, long. And disaji, again, still, disaji. Disaji, again, still, so you actually, disaji, disa is already again, so ji is kind of You don't have to use this disa ji. It is also used. You can simply think like that. Dkhwa, she, he, it, its. Okay, she, its, dolab, cupboard, dolab, dur, nezik, dur, far. The opposite is nezik, but it is far, dur. Okay. Ev jian, this life. Ev jian, this life. Evari, in the evening. Freh, white. Finjan, cup. Seyran, infinitive form of the travel, to wander. Seyran. Seyran. I have seen this word in many different places, but I want to search Seyran. Seyran. So, garok, şırışta, borandın, çıkhari, siyerkhan, Seyran. So, it means all those meanings. Picnic, bendarok. Bendarok is under tree with Chanzarok le Seyraneke. So you see they are in the picnic. You can think like picnic also. Seyran, picnic, to wander. Okay, continue. Guitar is guitar, simple enough. Gya, grass, Gya, grass. Gul, rose or flower, gul, gul, gul. Even if you want to say to your girlfriend, you could say gula men, my flower, gula men. Okay. Goldank, the place you put flower, which is vase. Havin is summer. Havin is summer. And Pais Outman, Zavastan is winter. Bahar is spring. We have just remind you this, which is nice. Hafti, hafta, I told you. Dawiya hafta, which is end of week. Helekan, swing. Helekan, Helkan, Helekan. Helkeren, Helkan, so Helekan, swing. Sershok, bath. Sershok, the place. Sershok, the place you have the bath. Sershok. Her jure, every kind. Her jure. Jure means kind. You will see jure word a lot. Jure, jure, jure. And you will see jure a lot. Even we have made a video about this. I mean, not especially about this, but especially about this word. It was like this with subtitle of jure. Jureyeke nu. Jureyeke nu. Merish kan hat diten. Diten. From the news channel, which is Rudao, I saw they wrote something like this. It says there is a new kind of hen found in Kurdistan, and I made that. You can listen that to not forget this word. You will not be forgetting if you listen that. Hergav, hertem, hergav, hertem, always. Hergav, hertem, hergav. Gavs actually is step. For example, gave, khwe na hur, baveje, baveje. Gave khona hur baveje. It means when you are walking, don't open between your legs a lot. It is like closer. How do we say that? Shorter. Whatever we say in English, I don't know. But we say it like this. Means actually walk slowly. It doesn't mean actually walk slowly only, but you shouldn't make between your legs too much opened when you are walking. Hasabgir, a counter. We had a story about this if you remember. Heshnahi green. Heshnahi green. green place هشنای green هوال friend هوالین خو friend of self هوالین خو. So for example we هوالین خو she her friends did something. Did what? We هوالین خو فهم گر. She understand her friends. Oh yeah. Salih بشاف the chat jam هوالين خو. So simply we could just give this example as well. حزدك laughs. حزدك as has the come. So simply you could use these words. So for both gender can use the same thing. أجد حزدك, but if you want to put some other words, it depends. Simply you could say like this, أجد حزدك, which means I love you. And continue. Herçok, bear, herçok. İskan, cup of tea. İskan. To be honest, this is the first time I hear this. That's why I will search. I prepared documents. برداغ پیاله قدح glass شوشیا آب شلیا iskan. So it means all of these actually. It means the cup actually. This is cup, iskan. But it's cup of tea. It's just translated like that. Okay, I want to simply look for this word, iskan. Iskan. And it doesn't bring me anything, but it brings me these meanings. It says cup of tea. Jebo means for. Jin, life. Like in English there is a similarity. Jin means life and Jen means woman. In English life means life. Actually I am not writing in here. Life is life and wife is woman. Wife is not woman, wife is wife. Wife is Jen. So in it also it is same Jen. I was thinking like how to describe this. Okay, you see like the similarity, it is so similar. You simply remove L, you put W. We just simply change this letter. Nice. Jir, clever, smart, wise. Jire, أو galaki jire. أو galaki jire. أو galaki jire. She is very clever. Jir. Okay. Jianeka aram, a peaceful life. If today, like you read some story of Kurds, probably always they will be, like many times they will be using this. Aram Dikran. There is a person also like that. Aram Dikran. So I have understand his. I have remembered his name, Aram Dikran. I have made a video about him. He's am I sure? He's actually Armenian, but her family was killed. If not his family, but he was in danger and Kurd saved him. And he tells this to his children. He said that never forget favor of Kurds because they saved your father, and if they didn't save me, they wouldn't be you, because in that time Armenians were killed by the government, and that's why, like, Aram Dikran is just that person. You must hear about this if you search like this, or Aram Tigran. If you simply search about this, definitely you will find him. He is singing so good, you can definitely listen and you will never forget, and know that Aram means peaceful. Jianeka Aram, peaceful Tigran. Let's continue. Gal is old. So Gal is for man or all. But bir is for woman, also bir used for man as well, bir. But generally bir. Gale bire. Gale bire. Gale u bire. Gale u bire. Gale u bire means the old and the women, both of them are old. I will be fast. Kar, work, they are work. And they are actually doing who, in oblique case, who is the person, not hold, but I want to just, okay, who, kengi, when, ki also who, k is also who, but ki is also who, kijan, which, kijan, kudere, where, gulilk, flower, gunji, Olester, season. I think not in here. I will just remove this because this is Olester, also season. It's also season. Okay. Kursi, chair. Kurd, short. Lebele, but. However, le is also but. Lebele is also but. Listen, play. Listen, play. Ledervei, outside of, out of Ledervei. You will write something in here. Ledervei something. Leger, below, leger, below, and you can write something. Leger chia, leger something. You can put an object in here. Leger, under something. Lejour, above something. Lejour, it's simply lejour is above. Lerech, next. Leser, on. Levra, here. Legal, together with. Together with. Khalice, carpet. But even we can search for other words to see how many. What else we say for khalice? Barrak, kalim, mafur, rayakh, mezer, gal, hasil, bar, jolalik, nalik, lalik, galdik, marsh, nevinen ku bine male, Peter Augustin da kune sarbe. It says something that you put on the floor of the house to not become what became cold. So khali also, khali, actually that's what I wanted to show you also. Khali, and that's it. Mal, home. Malu hal, general material and the physiological situation of someone. Malu hal tachawaya. So how is your situation? Malu hal tachawaya. Mom is up, uncle. Mom is up and or uncle. Mom is up or uncle. Mase is table. Mase. Melevani, sobani, swimming. Melevani. Avjani also. Like I think of Jani. I have used this word a few times and definitely you will be memorizing that word. Avjani. Matbakh, kitchen. Mazen. Mazen. Negative is bachuk, but mazen is big. Mazen is big. Mazen. Shum, nauthi. Also, if you remember, I used a word for har. Let's see. Shum. Shim. Shum. So shim, shum, shumbun. I can't see anything else. Naughty, but still it is naughty because I was like harbun. I was looking this for this word. So harbun demek kezek gelek torred be yan demek çünkü shimbit. Çünkü shimbit. So it is also same thing. Harbun. See har. So shim. بچوكي كو قالك شيمبا. Shim. Har. Naughty. Both of them means naughty. Musician. Nasakana. He, she doesn't stop. Nasakana always moves. Nav, name. Navber, interval between. Navber. Nazik, fragile. Nazik is like fragile. Does it mean something that breaks so quickly? Fragile, nazik. Shkabar, nazik, yeah. Okay, we also made it sure. Nakhwash is ill. Nakhwash is ill. Nezik is near, close. Nezik. Navin is bathing, baths. Oda is a room. Paljeh, armchair. So anyway, paqaj karan, clean. Paqaj karan. Okay. Park is also park, same thing. Penus, pen, penus. So this is also same in English. Pen, penus, pen. Qalam. Para is money. Beer is old, as I said. This can be used for men also, but it can be used for women as well. Do you see, like in here it says jahil, because jahil means actually ignorant if you simply translate. And why do they say jahil? Because I think it's because of tradition, because old men generally know things. That is because of that tradition. Pertuk means book. Pesik means cat. Puyal, glass. Por, hair. Qahwa, coffee. Radba, she wakes up. Ranjin, colorful. Roj, day or sun. Rudane, she runishten. Rudane, shang, charm. CP, coffee table. CP, coffee table. Serbest, freely. Shirin, sweetly, lovely. Shirinaman. It means my lovely, my sweet Shirinaman. So this is used for girl. Also Shirinaman, I don't think it will be used, but it can be used as well. Shirinaman means my lovely, for girlfriend. Sabahi, in the morning. Salkaran, Turakran, Khaydandan, Salkaran, Turakran, Khaydandan. Infinitive of the to be offended, to make angry. Offend or make angry. Not talking to each other, getting angry to each other, stop to talk each other, something like that. Khaydandan, making angry, okay. Tableau is tableau. Dede, in it. Dede, in it. Tabak, floor, double floor. Du tabak, double floor. Television. Temashakiran, watch. Temiz, clean. Also paqaj was clean, if you saw. But let's search these words in here. Can we see it also? Paqaj khaun, but you see Tammuz, I don't think so. Tammuz must be, yeah, Temiz is Temiz. Pak khawin, bejun paqaj, and here you are. Dejwata, it means opposite. Peace qresh, gamari, gani, haram, harami, levity. All of them means not clean. Okay, continue. Tenha, tene actually alone. Tenha. I don't think this could be meaning of tenha means. Let's see. Tenha, hoker. Tenya, betenha, yak bekas, bekhwadi. Okay. All of them means alone also. Tenha, teni, or tenya, بخودی تنه تنه. Okay, tani, tani. Tenha, tani means alone. Terkhan, satisfied, comfortable. Terkhan. Okay, let's search for these two. Satisfied, comfortable. We want to see the other meanings too. Dabin, dest nishankri, misoger, sahdiyar, peshkesh, raber, arrester, rapesh, temin, takit, egit, temawakh, وقت خواه همیان گلکی دیده erkeki. So تم وقت من وقت. So it says also for the meaning, not only for satisfied but also focusing on. It is also used in this meaning. It says terkhan kirin, dabin kirin, dest nishan kirin, misoger kirin. So terkhan kirin. That's it. Satisfied, also focused. You can think like that. Tev jihan, the world, the whole world. Tev jihan, I think it will tevi jihan. Tev jihan. Hemi jihan. I don't think tev jihan would make sense. Tev means together all also, but hemi jihan. If you use one word like this, that's much better. I think we say that jihan, the world. Tev is all. Tev. Okay. Tev jihan. Tev jihan. It can be used also, but better we use like this. Tral, tembel, lazy. Tral, tembel, lazy. Tral, tembel, lazy. Let's search for this word in here. Okay. Tral, arode, tembel, kasuli, kıslan, bexiret, morris, gavende, destgran, leşgran, kungran. Kungran. Kungran, actually, kungran, kun means s, gran means heavy. So somebody who has like cannot carry to their ass. So this Kurdish is word language like this. Kungran. Okay, it's really funny. Tishtinden, other things. Okay, tukes, nobody. Tukes, nobody. Tukes, nobody. Dasher, toilet. Dasher, toilet, dasher. Okay. Vadigare, he, she, returns. Vadigare. Vegeranden is return. But if you want to say she, it returns, you can simply say like that. Vadhasa, she, he, it rests. Rests. Single person tense of the verb vahasian, to rest. Vahasian, you see, like vahasian, to rest. Vitashti, this thing, this vitashti. Wene, painting. Wene is also mean picture you see in here. Also it can be painting. Also khani, house. Khani, house. Mal also was house, home. Zacht khashmi, violence. Zacht khashmi, zacht khashmi, zacht khashmi. Let's search for khashmi more. Khashmi again. What we see? Khashmi. We didn't see anything. Khashm. Oh yeah, I know. I will say simply khashm. Khashm. Yeah. Khashm. Khashm means khazab, garusha, hirs, karb, kin, nafrat. So khashm. Khashm. Khashmu. Khashmu khazav. Khazav. Yeah. Khashm. It means what it means? Violence. Khashm. Khort. Strong. Powerful. Lawaz. Zaif. Lawaz. Negative, I mean opposite is zaif, lawas. Khwandakar, student. Khwandakar, student. Zarok, child. Zarokan, children. Child, zarok. Zarok, children. Child, children. Zaif, lawas, weak. And zu, early, fast. And thank you so much to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and as I said, always I am saying in here also, we are going to make the video that we are going to tell about stories, and definitely we'll be making that. So that's it. I hope it's not too much. It is 40-50 minutes, but 150 words, which is good.